How to add website to your profile on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your website to your profile on Twitter. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing to do guys is to open up your Twitter. When you open up your Twitter, at the top left corner here, click on your profile picture, then click on your profile. Go ahead and click on edit profile. Then under edit profile you see website. Just go ahead and put in your website if you have any website. If you have any website, go ahead and put in your website. So a fake class. Now after putting your website, you can just go ahead and click on save button at the top right corner here. Now your website have been added to your profile on your Twitter. So guys, that is how to add website to your profile on Twitter. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.